So hello guys, in this video we will design this 3D object in Catia Wi-Fi software. So let us first analyze how can we start. So now first I'm making this base and then the lower cylinder and upper cylinder and these two ribs. So now starting with this base, so you can see here that the dimension for the base, so it is somewhat seems like a rectangle. So side value and the length value is already given here. So now what I'm doing is I'm just going back to this Catia software. So sorry. So click on this mechanical part design, click on OK. Now we are in this, choose this top plane for our sketch because we have to develop it from the top view. So click on this center rectangle option, specify center point, drag your cursor and click. Now click on the dimension constraint, double click. So click the side that you want to give the dimension, double click on that, and you can give 115 as a side and 290 as a length. So now okay, now select this corner option and make a window selection like this. So it will highlight, it will select a point so where the corner can be possible. So now, so the points are automatically selected. So now the update the value as 20 and click on enter 2 times. So now you can see in the corner is selected. Now select the circle tool, make the center point on this line and leave your cursor and give the dimension as 104. Double click on this 104 and now click on this trim tool, select this and okay, yes. So that is okay. Now again select this corner option, make sure this window selection and update the value as 120. Click on enter. So now you can see the corners are created. And the next thing is holes. So we need a hole, 3 holes. So actually we need 6. So first we will design 3 and then remaining 3 can be obtained by mirror tool. Click on this dimension for this circles as 15 dia. So double click 15 dia, click on this circle. So click on this circle and double click 15 enter. That's it guys. So you can see it is not fully constrained. So what you do is just need to specify each and every dimension to in order to make it constrained. So I'm making the distances like this. So here side distance is 20. So 20 is okay. Now from this distance is 28. Now you can see it is in the green color, that means it is fully constrained. So now what I am doing is select this construction line option and make a horizontal and vertical lines like this. Make sure it is in the blue color, so which means it is properly horizontal. Now okay, now you can see this white line is displaying, it is white line, that means it is not constrained. So you can see that the white line that we drawn is not constrained. So what you do, select this line and this center point, make sure this is a coincident relation. Now it is okay. Now the distance between these two circles is 55 mm. So now from this circle is constrained, in order to make it constrained you need to give one more dimension, that is a 25 mm. That's it guys. So 3 circles that we have and the remaining 3 can be done with a mirror tool. So what you do is you press and hold the control button and select these 3 circles like this and use this mirror option and select this vertical axis as a mirror axis. So that's it, we have 6 holes. Now the next thing is these are, there are 2 more are there, but these are not circles, these are the slots. So make the slot now. So the thing is, there is a no proper dimensions are given for this slot, so no problem in that. We'll take that dimensions nominally. So I have a slot now, so now make sure this radius is a 10, because it is given, the radius is inner dia is given as a 10 mm. Now click on this dimension constraint, make sure this side has only 3. Now observe the drawing clearly. The dimensions are not given, that's okay, fine. But so you can see I'm making again another construction line from this point like this, and okay, click on the dimension controller, select this point and this line, make right click so that you can give this coincidence relation. Now it is okay. Now one more dimension that we need to give is the horizontal distance. So select this point to this point and make a distance about 60. That's it guys. So if you want it same body on the other side, so what should do is select this entire slot, use the mirror option and select the mirror axis. That's it, everything is okay. Now exit from this workbench and apply pad of 15. So where I have seen the dimension, so it is directly dot mentioned here, but you can see total is 18 and the upper one is 3, and so that the base will be 15 only. That is okay. Now here here if you zoom it, and you can see there is a the edge is slightly curved. So what you should is, you can use this 3D fillet option and make the radius value as a 3 and keep it as 3. That's it, everything is okay. Now next thing is, in the drawing at the circles there is an another there is an some extension is there, some pad, then extrusion is there of radius 20. So no, sorry, which is a the outer circle dia is not given here, so keep it as a 30. So what you do is select this plane and position sketch. Now select this circle tool and left it. Okay, now click on the dimension constraint, select this circle and select this existing hole dia and right click so that you can give this concentricity relation. Now give the dimension again as 30, double click 30, enter. So that's it guys, exit from this workbench. Now click at the pad tool and give the pad of extrusion of 3 only. So now we have the mistakes, just double click on the sketch, you can edit that. So I'm extracting the edge by using this project 3D option. I'm exiting again update this, apply pad tool and give up to 3 only. So now you can see it is okay. Now I want that extrusion at every single hole. So what I'm doing is, so if you do that at every single hole, it will take some time. So now what I'm doing is, I'm making a hole like here at every hole, making a points here. So now you can choose this dimension constraint and select the point and select this circle, right click, you can use this concentricity relation. That's it. So make this at every instance. Let me make it fast. So that's it guys. So exit from this workbench. Now select this user pattern option. So okay, now object to pattern, you have to select it from the specification tree. So pad I'm choosing, and the positions I need to use, select this points. That's it. So you can see the pad is obtained. Now second thing is I need to apply 3D fillet at this face. Click on preview, update the value as 3, click on preview and OK. So that's it. So now just try to make user pattern for this fillet also. Is it come or not? We'll see. So now it is not worked. So what you do is you need to select this fillet edges manually. Double click on this and you can choose this every single edge properly. So it is some made mistake here, that's why it is not come. Select these edges properly. That's it. Click on OK. So now a radius of 3 mm is applied, fillet is applied at every single hole. Now next thing is we need to make a slot extrusion. So now select this slot, select the center point, and so now use this dimension constraint and make sure these two circles are concentricity relation and these two circles are concentricity relation. That's it. That's it. Don't need to give any more dimension for this. So exit from this workbench, click on the pad tool. So now one more thing is that use the pad tool, so we need a edge of this, also use the project 3D element option. So now project these elements, project these edges. So now double click on this project 3D elements option in order to keep it active. Now exit from this workbench. Now apply the pad of 3 mm. Okay, so you can use this on the opposite side by using this mirror tool, 3D mirror tool. And also you need a fillet, 3D fillet at this, at the edges. Use this 3D. So here I'm making a somewhat things, so that's it. Okay, that is not possible here, so I'm choosing this manually. So I'm choosing these edges. So that's it. So till the base it is now completed. Now what you do is you need to have a cylinder on this surface. So I've just used the position sketch option and choosing a two circles like this. So first I'm deleting this 3D fillet that is applied earlier. So now use this position sketch and you need to draw two circles on this plane. So select this circle and select the east circle and make sure it is a concentricity relation and also coincidence relation. So now okay, now use another circle, so which is for one extrusion, and for the another extrusion we need another circle. So that's why we need to draw another circle at the same center. Select the circle command, select the space by the center point and make this dimension as 30. Double click on this. So here you can see it is a 60, not 30, it is a 60 there. Okay, so double click on the dimension, update the 60, enter. Now okay, exit from this workbench. Now you need to use here not the pad tool, you need to use this multi-pad option. So in the multi-pad window, definition window, you can choose this closed areas. So I have chosen this first one, that is an extrusion of 209 from the base. So what you have to do is from the 209, 205 minus 15, what will be? It will be 190. So you can use these calculations. So if you want to do, if you don't want to do any calculations, you can give these dimensions in the calculation formats as well. So now the bottom one you need to have 80 minus 15, which is a 65. So that's it, guys. So the next thing is, now use this 3D fillet option, make sure this is a 12, enter. Okay, now okay. And in the bottom also you can give the bottom also now as a 3. So that's it, guys. That's for, so have added the planes that are already existed. So now what you should do is, you need to hole here, you need to have a hole here. So what you do is, you click on the position sketch, select this plane, click on OK. Now may I enter, now select this circle, space with the center point, and OK. Double click on the dimension constraint, select this circle and select this existing circle. Make sure these are concentric with each other. Now click on this dimension, what it is, it is a 30 diameter. Double click on this and 30, enter. Now okay, exit from this workbench. You can use this pocket tool, and for a depth of 90, update the value 90, enter. Okay, now in the inner side it is not sharp edge, it is have a 5 mm fillet. So that's it. And in the bottom also you need to have a one pocket, that is, click on the bottom face and position sketch. Now you may have to use a circle here, and that should be a concentricity with each other. Now click on this dimension as a 50, diameter is 50 and depth of 60. So now you can use this pocket option and up to extrusion of 60, update the value 60, enter. That's it. And one more thing that we need to do is a chamfer we need to use, and click on this chamfer and select this edge, and you keep it as a 10 mm. So it is 1, so update it to 10, enter. Okay, so now base thing is also completed. And the next thing is, we need to create a plane for making this stiffness. So how can you do that? So you choose this profile plane creation option, and so first you need to have a plane which is at a distance of, so you can see the plane should have at the center of this cylinder. So what will be the distance? That will be 115 divided by 2. So now okay, so we have a plane. So now we have a plane which is a 45 degrees inclined to this plane. So you can choose this angle or normal to plane option, and reference you can choose as a z axis, and it is at a 45 degrees. Make sure this tick is enabled. Project the plane at reference. Now select this plane and make this position sketch option, click on enter. Okay, now click on the line, draw a line like this. And here one more thing that you need to learn is this shill out edges option, project shill out edges option, and I will make a clear video for that. So make sure these two points and lines are coincide with each other. So if you want to give horizontal and vertical dimension for this inclined line, you can right click. So okay, so this is making okay. Now delete this dimensions now first. So first click on this dimension constraint, make sure this end point and this side are coincide with each other. Now give the vertical and horizontal dimensions. Horizontal dimension, uh, sorry, horizontal dimension, vertical dimension. Update the values according to this. So 81.41. Double click 81.41, enter. Now height it is 60.01. Double click 60.01, enter. So that's it guys, everything is okay. Exit from this workbench, you can use this. So that is okay, profile is okay. Now you can choose this stiffener option. So stiffener is possible. So the thickness of this stiffener is given here, it is 11. Update the value 11, enter. So a small mistake here, it is done. So the stiffener is somewhat touching this slot. So what you should is, you need to move 5 mm inside to this. So what you do, just create a plane which is a distance of 5 on reverse side. Click on preview, offset, you need to select this offset. So now what you should is select this stiffener option. So sketch, for this stiffener you need to change the support sketch, so that's why. So first what you should do is select this and make sure it is cut, and paste this in the same logo, same body. Now it is okay. Now select this sketch under the stiffener, and here you can choose this change sketch support option and click on ok, and choose this newly created plane, and make sure this vertical and horizontal axis is properly aligned. So that's it guys, it is somewhat moved like this. So now apply the fillets. That's it. Click on the 3D fillet option, select this edge that you want to apply fillet, and update the value as 5. Click on preview, okay. So 5 is not possible here, so keep it as a 3 only. So that's it guys. So if you want this stiffener on the other side, what you should do is you can use this 3D mirror option. Select this mid plane, click on ok. So that's it guys, that is for this video. If you learn anything interestingly in this video, so just support us through a like and subscription.